Today we are going to continue with the first chapter, format of total creditors account. Yesterday we have finished up to illustration 13 children. Now we have to go with the next problem. So before that we have to learn creditors format. Okay. See, actually we have to prepare total debtors account and creditors account in order to find out credit purchase and credit sales. இப்போ நம்ம வந்து credit sales வந்து total debtorsல prepare பண்ணோம். So now children going with creditors account. Creditors அப்படின்னா யாருன்னா நம்ம you have to repay them. நம்ம வந்து கிரெடிட் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணியிருப்போம், அதனால பணத்தை திருப்பி கொடுக்கணும். ஸோ தே ஆர் ஆல் லயபிலிட்டிஸ்னால் அதோட ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸ் கிரெடிட் சைட் தான் வரும். அப்போ ஃபஸ்ட்டு நீங்கள் வந்து ரெண்டும் ரிலேட் பண்ணி படித்தா இட் இஸ் ஈஸி சில்ட்ரன். நவ் ஜஸ்ட் வி ஹாவ் அ லுக் அட் த டோட்டல் டெட்டார்ஸ் அக்கௌண்ட். ஓகே, கம்மிங் வித் த டோட்டல் டெட்டார்ஸ் அக்கௌண்ட் யூ சி டூ பேலன்ஸ் brought down because it was it is an asset children. You are writing the balance on the debit side. Okay, debtors அப்படின்னா you remember debit side, opening balance on the debit side. Creditors எழுதும்போது என்ன பண்ணும், credit side start பண்ணிக்கும். அப்போ இந்த 4 items அப்படியே you have to put it on the credit side children. See, look at the creditors account now. creditors accountல அந்த 4 அப்படியே credit side போட்டுப்பாங்க. By balance, இப்போ ப்ராப்ளம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போதே total creditors you started on the credit side. By balance brought down, opening balance அப்படின்னா year beginning creditors balance. Okay, then same way by purchases, அங்கே சேல்ஸ்னு எழுதியிருப்போம், இங்கே பர்ச்சேஸ்னு எழுதணும். அப்படின்னா credit purchase, when you're writing itself you write as by credit purchase children. Then by bank, same thing only. There also you wrote by bank, here also same way. Side மட்டும் தான் மாறணும். There you wrote on the debit side children, you put here on the credit side. Now coming with by bills payable. So there you wrote bills receivable, here you write bills payable children. It is discount. Then same way coming with the debit side here children, இங்கே அப்படிதான், you just relate here and learn. Okay, this side we learnt 7 items. Okay children, that's C B D S S C B D S B B B. Same thing only children. Here when you write as buy cash received, அங்கே என்ன எழுதணும், 2னு போடணும். 2 எல்லாம் பை ஆகும், பை எல்லாம் 2 ஆகும். 2 cash paid you have to write. Then same way 2 bank check paid you have to write. So everything words alone you change children. Here 7 items you came, C B D S B B B. But when you come there children, ஒரு B விட்டுணும், bad debts மட்டும் விட்டு remaining everything you will be posting it here. Okay, so you learn the format first children. See, 2 cash paid, 2 bank check paid, 2 bills payable, the bills which you have accepted during this year, discount receipt, purchase return. Then this is your closing, because opening balance is on the credit side, closing balance will be on the debit side. So first you'll write total debtors account, then go with creditors account children. Learn the format and then you will continue with illustration 14. Same way children, from the following details calculate credit purchase. Credit purchase அப்படின்னா again you put total creditors account. As I told you, you can write the full format here, then you can fill up the amounts. See, coming with creditors, it's called opening creditors, opening balance. அதனால என்ன பண்ணு, you have to put it on the credit side. Credit sideல 50,000. Then coming with next one, return outwards. It's nothing but purchase return children. Purchase return. So put it on the debit side. Then cash paid to creditors closing balance. So all of you know where you have to post it. One of the easy ways children, write the full format, then you can post the amount. Or when you are thorough children, you can directly write only the items which is given in the question. So here we are finding out the credit purchase. Okay, thank you children. I'll continue in the next video.